Welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment, then I play one round of my game, and then I decide what I work on today. Starting takes a bit. One command in the terminal. Wait for a few lines to appear, so I know it's ready. Okay, I play ball today, seems. And it should be ready at once in the browser. Closed for me. Right. Okay, fresh start. I'm the guy in the middle. First I choose class, I choose ball. Hit the sides enemies. If I come close to them, they attack me. Above my head is my HP. If it reaches 0, I die, and if I die, I get a high score based on how far away from the middle I died. Enemies get stronger the further away I am from the middle, and I get stronger the more I kill. Now the goal is to get as far away as possible without dying. The ball I can get far very quick, but then I'm too weak, so I level a bit at the start. Somehow. Okay. Skill point. Wait, this correct word. It takes bone shield and lightning strikes. Can I up my shield here? Still further in. Spawners and spawn. Let's go here to my bounce stacks. To go to the left. Spawners. HP. Up my shield again. I'm in danger. Again. Boss. I think I'm ready for end boss. Can zap over. Okay, do 1 million DPS. So I have just one perfect copy last week. All. Now it's done. Next increase version 288 today. Save. We did what I'm working on today. I last worked on touch controls. My let's try where I was. Touch controls I need. Def down the mobile. I access. So we start, and now if I press, I can only have one touch with mouse. I can move. I can choose a class. Can okay, I can upgrade, but these are not. I remember where I done your state. So now I have more to click. I could get million gifted. These I would refund, and I can press. For these I already did. 2 of the 7. Okay. Let's die and buildings. Sign. Okay, these two are. I'm touched restart. I should probably also limit how much is on the screen. If class not chosen, don't display. I have. I passed characters. Upgrade. Okay. Okay, but I work on upgrade buildings. I but trying damage is what I already changed. Yeah, I made 2 if else's, I guess. I think experience is where I did Multiple if else's. Yeah, I think I like this more, even if it's a bit more repetition. So as for all upgrade texts, I have text tags, I have keyboard. I need touch. And I need texts. This way. Do I put this here? Complaints. Dictionary. Okay, I don't need to make it explicit. I have it. Okay, let's. I think this is a good. That this way. Okay. Show change. Click. Here. Do this here too. Turn text. See damage. Text too. If I go. This is all. Need to push it to. It's just. Okay. This and should be fight retries. No? Yeah, okay. I did not add keys. Okay. To even, I think this is correct. Seems good. Let's continue. This did here. Here. Something feels off. Not have the push here. Did I copy it? Oh. No, here it is. Okay. This one. And touch 2. This is HP. Stop. I did not push it. Can be. Should be. Separated perfect. I think it's fine. Next. Yeah. The second one. It touch gun sink. No, one more. Should be it for money. Okay, perfect. Next, movement speed. Touch to and good for me. I need to push. Okay, movement speed should be done. And damage, no. We all, okay. Last one, vect. Gun. No, no. Be it. Try. Here we was. Okay. So I have past characters, I have upgrade buildings, I have this, I need the sign, the tab. Touch for upgrade. It's new, I guess. Okay, but done. To the right. I have upgrade buildings. Sign next. Sign. So map related. Is it? Yes, I have it here. Okay. If game you are put type is keyword, I will text push this one. Touch I here cannot see specifics. This is for now good enough. Touch. Sign, no touch. Confused. Now I want to check all abilities. No, I want to have two things. I need check all classes. Second, third abilities. Because I have. How do I do it? Currently, I play normally. I can get more and I use all together. They have the same key. here I mean, I have to try around real two-touch device. Think can I want to trigger reload, or I mean, these are not aimed, but I have multiple aim. So if I take tamer, now I need. Oh, this was incorrect. Interesting. I never noticed. Sniper abilities displayed. No, it's the sniper abilities again, not the three new. This is a bug. I should. When taking another class order ability at bottom incorrect. So how do I can them, but I cannot unleash them. There's two options. Abilities. How do I control one? I mean, if I want to touch the screen, which I need, I guess. This be played. S2. So I can have two cases. Can have ability selected, which is on the touch click. So I first like currently I don't check for clicked these. So I need to check if I give these a position. So I can check if they are touched. And on a touch, I have to have an ability. Or I check ability needs a position. If not, okay. Make ability icons ability icons save and stay in game. I change size position for mobile. Make ability select ability selectable. Just on touch. Is this? You can select it, use on touch. abilities which do not need position directly. Does this work? If I multi, now I have multi ability. Also should not display all. Or the only it's complicated, but T abilities check if one needs position, something like this. Okay, I think this might be all cases. Let's find out. Where I with these bottom abilities. I already have can hover if I correctly. So, but I guess I paint these. Should I display these tips also on mobile? I mean, it would be helpful if I can see it in some way. Maybe if there's some pause option. Okay, for now I ignore. Start with game paint. Did you can stuff the 600 I want for ability sounds like what I want. I remember I should animate to my position to mobile. Should I do the bug for order then? Let's see, am I going through it backwards or something? Abilities. Elements. Here I have server. I have an I. For all abilities. Something is adding up for me. I don't separate by class. Take ability I, but I don't check for if it has an ability UI. Check. Doesn't influence the I. I'm confused, but ignore for now. Also in mobile, I only count for number of keys to reduce, but I don't calculate the positions. Some I have, yeah, I need a rectangle again, I guess. Rectangles. A rectangle. I need ability ID behind it. Maybe. Export type. I choose ability I rectangle. Is a rectangle. Need ability D. There was a number. Ref ID. I think that's the order. Else. Might have multiple abilities behind it. Do I care for now? Let's don't care now. Rectangle plus an ability. Cares. I do not need to have something in here. I ability. Here I return 2 times. I gather abilities, but I gather different abilities. I have to react based on if I add new abilities. Calculate it each time. But for now I can calculate it each time and move it later. Function rectangles calculate this way. I have game. I need more. Maybe I add a player. Or I want to player a character. Let's take a player for now. This is they are not set. I set it. Fair. So then it's no longer no, this can be I could also take it in here. If it's not set, I set it. Okay. Don't care for animation. I should care for a size and spacing. Number of elements. But this is, as I said, it's off. But I need to know for the total width, I guess. I guess. Plus spacing. The size is part of what I put in. Okay. I only need a counter. But it's different for mobile and for desk or keyboard. Sync. I can change the position later. TUI rectangle. Ability UI rectangles. Start as an empty array. This. And I have a counter. Then I go over all abilities. Is this the way? I guess. wanted to know if they need a position. I know. I don't think so. I always cast with position. The game handles it. I'd want to change this. For now, I don't. So, selected rectangle. ID is a number. Index, and let's call it index. And it can be undefined. Game ability. I want with it basically I size, basing I care for later. I have to go definitely over all abilities. If I have TOI, but this doesn't seem to be necessary. So I have a default one. I have a player input binding. Let's make this as if. Sounds better. I have an input binding. And I have const inputs. It's a string array, I guess. If this is string, used inputs contains x of this one. This, I think it returns a negative one. Not negative one. No, this is only for mobile or touch. If game touch info would type touch, then and continue. Let's do it in one. Okay, this is a continue case. So I need to put it in. I put it in. It has is ability ID and 8 size. Size. Top left is not determined. This I have I have to break it up. Else push. Okay, for touch. And multiple. This and can also do it. The index. I check it at the end, I would guess. I have rectangles that do not have a position yet. I need to game put type. I want touch for now. Because touch would bottom white. I assume I got only 3 or 4, let's say. Maybe 4. Oh, but I will make them bigger, but let's wait. Else I care for the width. Let's call it total width. Rectangles length times size spacing minus spacing. Okay, I have to take one away. And start. Don't have CTX. I want it. I need it. 2D and in context. So I have a CTX. Total width is divided by 2. Okay. And with this I can place my position. Offset. Ah, for my animation, okay. And my X does change. Yes, it does change, okay. Again, go rectangles, rectangle, rectangles. I said rectangle top left. Start X. Start Y. And X equals size plus spacing. This should set everything, and for we do it for mobile. 2, 3. Const mobile button GUI position array of positions. To X0. I want say 4. Let's take 3 for now. And I loop over them, but I need a different loop. 0, smaller. Smaller, smaller, smaller. Rectangles. Length. Plus if y bigger. Big. Even equals is breaking. Else I say something like here. I only these. Oh. X. So it's this way. What are the positions? Probably have same as here. Say bottom, bottom. This will be times 2. Go up. Now I need the left. This would be here. Right. 1. This one. I think these work. With this I have positions. In here I can calculate them. X player. Now, do I want this? I have to think about later. Should animate. You have to find out. I have more abilities than I have visualized. And I should animate. This I do not need here, that I need. Here, paint counter. I do not need it anymore. Animate index. This. Start time I set. This all looks important. Size, spacing is no longer hard for me. I no longer count. No longer need the width. I need the start with this. I need the eye, don't I? The animate index. Oh no, this doesn't work for touch for mobile. Actually not interested in this number anymore. It's on rectangles is okay. This one, good. I think I want this one. Wait. Rectangles lengths. I need to have them. Can check. Where am I? Blind. Still blind. Where did I put it? Seem I deleted it. What? Oh. No, this is what I searched. Okay. I'm blind. Can this be undefined or what? Yes, okay. Turn. Oh. Would have rectangle length. This tells me if I should animate. I over my rectangles. If I need the ability, I need the ability. Be different. Have an ability ID has to be the rectangle ID. I should find the ability, but just to be sure, if I don't, I continue. Now I have the ability and the index. Rectangle. Have some Y offset for animation. Here I have X. I is it paint? Let's change it a bit. Call it oh, it will be LED probably. X is X. Y minus Y offset. X paint. Size X. If I don't have, I go right. Okay. This is no longer the case for my. Is it? Need to continue at least. I guess. Don't need to count it up. Because I only. At least I believe this. I know this. This is. This is incorrect. This is now plus Y offset. I guess. Maybe it's incorrect. Oh, no. No. let's change, let's see what happens. Don't see them at all. Interesting. I don't get anything. I do calculate it. I never set them. That's a good reason. I have. Then I need gain. Ability. Star. Rectangles. Okay, now I should have some. Okay, I go to mobile. Touch, now they are in the bottom right. Should have more spacing on mobile. Bigger, I guess. So take them away. Again, spacing in here. And I can also set this later. So I need rectangle 8 rectangles. And let's do 60-10. Let's see. The 10 doesn't look like a 10. Don't use spacing. Have not used the spacing. Okay. Next. Okay, I have the icons are not on the correct size. Let's think. I go and take another. And he know because the order is incorrect. Yes, I remember. See. I also need to check for order. I push. Ability UI changed position for touch. Yeah, I can save position game change size position for mobile. I have. I want to do the order correctly, and I add a second. And back ability icon size. Let's start with the first. if I... Where do I start? Is it the same for... Let's see. I take sniper and have a non-sniper. This is correct. So it's only legendary buildings. There might be a reason I did this. Let's find out. Class buildings. Did I... Doesn't seem to be in here. Let's see. Here. Tagged 1. Tagged power. Go backwards because I delete. But why do I unshift? I remember, I guess. It has something because I change order. I go backwards, so I wanted to... so it's a splice. I mean, I don't want to remove. I want to insert. I want to delete nothing. I would hit at the start. I want to... What is it? I have... these links, but I'm splice them out, so say... I have to remember, I guess. Let push index equals... have this one. So I have this. I have 0, it's maybe this. Let's find out. Take. It feels incorrect. So this one is incorrect. This was correct. Let's try again. Yes, this looks good. Now if I go to touch, I sniper to tamer. Okay. Now it's unclear that snipe is on. And also for touch, I do not display I have to find out a lot, I guess. Feeding is also confusing, but if I take a lot, it will be confusing. Okay, let's accept it. Don't display keyboard key or touch inability icon. So now I have ability size. I don't think it's here, it's back to ability. I paint. If I'm lucky, it might go to some default. Let's take bounce ball as an example. Default. Draw image here. But I have a size. Rectangle size, not image size. So let's fit the image to it. Ctx draw image. Image. Now I have different, very complicated one. Source X, I think 0, I think 40 were my icons, and then I have draw start X, draw start Y, bracket size, bracket size. This might be it. Sniper, they are bigger. They are small. Two, they are bigger. Two, tower builder, tame. Turn. Okay. Okay. Seems good. So let's take it. I have fixed, and now I want to not paint the key. And Billy, I have a function for it. Make it different. Let's check if game by put type is keyword. Do this, else else. Maybe I do it differently if it's touch. Touch, else it's keyboard. What do I do for touch? I'm only interested in marking what I selected. but I currently nothing selected. Let's just mark the first. Oh, ability. If no, let's just mark everything. For now, I the Philrect maybe some alpha. Green. Let's take this for now. Now if ability ID is equals a ability selected rectangle. Oh no, it's a bit longer. First I need to check this. And the not undefined. Of checks. Check this bar rectangles. Can be undefined, so I should check, I guess. Of checks. Const rec. This one. Use this so often I could get in between. Okay. I check a rectangle. And then I do it. Go. Okay. So now none should be. So I need one. For now it's correct. Don't display key. Display, I have size. Bug fix icon size. Bug fix ability secondary and touch don't display key. Commit. Now these are done, and I need to make it selectable. This have player input my touch interact. I think I act on touch start. Let's start off. Don't touch start, I touch UI rectangles. I could put it in here. Touch start, touch retry, touch interact. And I have touch ability basically. Let's start with this as function. I probably something similar. Touch ability select first my ability, then rectangles, not undefined. Should be enough. Let's make again TY this way. A bit. Can so make it it's not and it's it's incorrect, or turn if it's false. Okay, but doesn't matter now. TUI rectangles. This needs to be Noah. This needs to be done. I have no rectangles. I check if I have a canvas element. Target. Check where I clicked. I check if I'm in the rectangle, and if I am, turn true. Don't care for this. I need the index, so I need to change it up. Rectangle equals I. And I equals 0 smaller. and TUI is I. Oh, I can select it, I guess. Not yet. Don't call it. Tangle. I have an else if touch game turn true. Sniper. I can select them. Now I need to cast these. I cast ability. Let's start top. I touch start. Touch ability action. And touch ability action. I send ability 1. Good question. What do I send? How do I know? What I have the ability reference. I need to know the key, and with the key I know command. I have to find out. 6 shouldn't be too much. I get an input code. It gives me an action. This is what I send. I have the ability. It doesn't add up. Yeah, if it's like I'm missing one. I don't find him. Player action. Upgrade actions. No. Action, ability action. Ability. It hasn't. Action. This is not the key. Okay. So the ability has the input binding. This is what I need to send, I guess. It's not difficult. Uh, so I need to find the ability. So first, if target position player, I don't have Shouldn't this be sooner? It's a return condition. And I don't have a player. Second, I can check a game ability. So usual checks if this is not turn ability. I need rectangles. If this are undefined, I return. So now if TUI, I don't have a selected index undefined, then I just take 0, I would guess. Fine. Now I have. Now I need ability action const. This is ability UI rectangles. First it's not what I wanted. Was I? To copy this. This is ability D. This is GUI rectangle index. Needs a play. Took too much. So I have the ability ID. It's just call it ability. The player character abilities font. Ability has to be GID. Does he complain? Types number and what? It's the ID. Works. This can be undefined if don't have an ability I return. Else ability binding. I should check this. True. Absolutely sure. It shouldn't work anything, I guess. So let's try it out. Sniper. Sniper. Okay, I can now cast everything. Take 2 guns. Shoot both. Take the hammer. Also place them. If I do this. Don't do takes Sam. Did not see it. Hearts. Okay, now the problem is but this is a problem for some other day. Can we load if I do this? At least it's visualized. Let's take ball. Can now I think it's fine for now. Position is a bit more love. What's this? Switch nodes. Cannot place them anymore. Read them. This thing is cannot. The node is a special case. Okay. So I think the musician is the only one which should work differently. Let me think. On one, difficult to place them. First, I need to visualize I have selected this position. Also, change instrument doesn't make sense if I only have one. Problem for another day. Interested in Stability UI. Because he has not the default key binding. Can dates is stability. Put binding. What I call this? Export function main ability put binding. It's not 100% correct, but let's try. I put it over CTX 2D. I need the game ability else start. So next or start. Direct size. Thing. Direct. Okay. Can this here. To start. Y size. Same for position. What? I select position. Okay, it's selected. And have it make ability selectable. This is now ability touch select a touch ability selectable. This way. So this is done. Got fix musician. Time is have some time left. Fix musician. Place node on key up touch end. Place node on key up touch end. Display. Did I call hover node? For touch only touch down, touch move. Start, touch move. Let's try to find out. Musician. I have to out. Here somewhere paintability. It somewhere I do paint hover node. Addition to hover node. Have a hover node. Maybe can I find where I cast active ability, cast ability. This I can do the other way around. I want to cast on key up. So I take musician, take this on, not place it because I don't have a touch and ability card. But I can have it. Don't I have it? Let's verify. And touch and action ability. Don't have a position. Never considered that touch. It's one. It's always ability 1, which is also incorrect. Let's see, I check a lot. I just sent it. I haven't identified an ID behind it. Something doesn't add up. I do not have the cast position. Okay, I need the positions. I need these ones, I guess. Different data. This is false. I need the ability. The client. The T. Ability. Don't have the ability. I have this one. And now I hope it works. Wipe it around. Doesn't stop. Does he not? Let's restart and it's just try musician for once. Doesn't work. Two. It works. So something does not work. I get the client ID. I have the players. This is incorrect. This is a touch ID, not an ability ID. So I know. This ability. I think I need this. So more stuff. TUI stuff needs to be resistance. I also need to check so just return, cannot set one. Should have an ability ID now. Should check on now, maybe. But should not be displayed once I'm not pressing. And cast is not interesting. Paintability. And cover not. Current mouse position. If I have a current mouse position, matches a node. So for while it's different, I need another check. Game touch. Put. I need check something else. Think. Is it just that I have an ability touch? Check. T. This doesn't help, does it? Touch info. I have an ability ID. Do I clear it? Do not clear it. I could. So if I could undefine it. Use it as a check. If let to other node false. Oh, it's true. Do other node undefined. the start. To Evernote. I do this to how it should be changed. Simulation. Do one. Okay. To mobile. Touch. It's also interesting. I lose. This is not what I wanted. Is this dependent on Evernote? Paint note. Paint notes. Doesn't make sense if it would be in paint notes. Paint buttons here. You want mouse position. Okay, seems like I need my ability. Okay, this should fix it. No, not sniper. Oh, I didn't choose. Place them. I can bigger. Can probably make it too big in here. Yes. Can no longer click it. Seems I can. They work. Can stop. Can minus. I can make them too long. Okay. I should come to an end slowly. This was ability touch fixes. Place node on touch and key. Okay. 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 Let's sheets to for mobile. Also problem if I'm abilities, check if one needs position. I don't remember what I meant. I think I already have it. Check all classes. Looks decent. So the question will be if I do this. Let's move down again. Let's stop this. Let's reload once. This one test replace. Sniper did lose, I guess. Yes, Tower Builder also still lose. The feeling the Tower Builder was the one with the lowest damage. Let's find out later. Tamer did win, I guess. 1.2 million. But I did not add the long ball. One more change. Long ball, yeah. Can I let's rent them out for once. Let's test replace once from today. Perfect. All are working. Let's put them in. Ball test replay. Fine. Can push. Gets deployed. Have tasks for next time. I still have my thingies, and yes, I'm done for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.